Hello everyone. In our last video we saw the concept of Bluetooth programming, and in this video we are going to write one program. Here we want to control the switching on and switching off of the LED through one Android app. And from that Android app we are going to send certain codes, and those codes we are going to use in our Arduino to determine whether we want to switch on or switch off the LED. To start, we'll start with Curious Mind block. We know we want to first establish the communication between our Arduino and Bluetooth. For that we use command serial begin. Inside that is the baud rate. We are going to work with this baud rate 9600. Now we want to check if any code has arrived in the Bluetooth buffer, and for that we use if, because we are going to check. I'll hide this. If Bluetooth available bytes are greater than 0. If the Bluetooth available bytes are greater than 0, that means there are some codes waiting in the Bluetooth buffer for us to read. If they are greater than 0, then we want to read and store. And we know this single block does both the actions, Bluetooth read and store. If you are using Arduino commands, you will have to read the value, create a variable, and put this value in that variable. With Curious Mind blocks, this one block is doing both the actions. Now we have read the command which has arrived, and we have stored it, and now we want to compare it. For that we are going to use if then. So if one key is pressed, we want to switch on the LED, and if other key is pressed, we want to switch off the LED. So we are going to press two keys. There are going to be two keys on your Android app. One key if pressed, we will switch on the LED. Other key we press, the LED will be switched off. So we'll go here and we'll read the character. So if the character is F, we will switch on the LED. If the character is, let's say, B, we will switch off the LED. We will use the onboard LED which is attached to pin number 13. So we'll set digital pin 13 as high for switching on, and we'll set digital pin 13 as low for switching off the LED. This way, two buttons are going to control the LED switch on and switch off. So it is a simple program where we are controlling the switching on and switching off of the LED using Bluetooth. And for sending the commands, we are going to use one Android app which will send the commands over Bluetooth, which our HC05 module will receive, and we will compare the commands and we will perform the action. Upload the program, check if it works as desired. In our next program, we will control a vehicle using an Android app.